The National Solid Waste Management Association is proud to consider you to be part of our team. We have been working very hard to make the workplace safer for you and your customers. If you work safely and follow our company, federal and state safety rules and regulations, not only will you save lives and prevent accidents and injuries, but you also will improve the image of the entire industry. If you take pride in your job, it will show through in performance, guaranteed. I've seen this over and over again. Look, we don't want this just to be another job for you. We want this to be your career. We want you to remain in this great industry for as long as you want. Be safe and be proud.
Ours is the richest country in the world, and yet each year, bypassing safety causes us to lose our most precious commodity, human life. In the waste industry alone, we lose on average 1 worker every week, making the industry the nation's 5th highest in terms of work fatalities. At Schaefer, we're dedicated to engineering the safest, most durable products in the world and to providing training that prevents accidents. For example, our waste containers are built to last and designed to work efficiently when handled with care. So let's take a look at proper usage for semi-automated equipment. To avoid personal injury or equipment damage, always close the lid before rolling the container. Based on ANSI standards, the normal tipping cycle for containers is 6 to 10 seconds. With a tipping dimension of 15.5 inches. During the tipping cycle, make sure the container does not impact the truck, packer blade, or any other part of the hopper area. When tipping, it's also important to position the container to avoid colliding with equipment. Likewise, the packer blade should always be in the upward or home position during a tipping cycle. At no time should the container impact the packer blade or the blade be moving. As you can see, mishaps create irreparable indentations, creases, cuts, and broken handles. Watch how a container can literally be destroyed by a packer blade. This not only increases costs, but could result in serious injury to workers. If the packer blade is not in the up position, the container can hit the cylinder knuckle when the container is retracted, causing damage to equipment and potential injury. Operating at speeds faster than the recommended 6 to 10 second cycle can pose safety hazards by increasing the G-force on the upper lift attachment by as much as 10 times. Increased speed can also cause the lower lift bar to detach, breaking the upper lift attachment or denting the lift bar. For optimum performance and safe operation, periodically check speeds and link adjustments, which should be set at 14.25 to 15.25 inches. Improper link settings can lock the container onto the lifter, possibly ripping the lower lift bar or crushing the container on the ground. Now, let's examine proper operation of fully automated equipment. Note that the grabber arm should always wrap completely around the cart. Improper placement can harm the container, as well as workers if the unit is released. In addition, make sure the lid on the container is closed before lifting. Like position, proper grabber height can prevent problems. Be sure to bypass the cart's wheels as well. Never lift 2 containers at one time. By lifting only 1 container at a time, you can avoid personal injury or severe equipment damage. To assure correct positioning, we recommend timely belt adjustments. Proper maintenance can help you limit damage, replacements, and OSHA incidents. With preventive maintenance and prudent use of equipment, your Schaefer containers can last for years to come. For more information on how we can make your work environment safer, contact us at ssi-schaefer.us.